How's it going, everybody? Check out this 1971 twin turbo Restomod C-10 short bed. 5.3 block cam, billet hood hinges, big aluminum radiator, vintage AC. I think it's right around 560 to the ground. Very reliable, starts every time. Cruise is awesome. All chrome is new. Custom made Bond Speed wheels. Wheelwood disc brakes up front and rear. Big meats on the back. Mini tubbed. TMI interior. Full sound system. Relocated to the back. Chip there. I got a little chip there, it's been touched up. Paint looks excellent. Gonna walk around, see if I notice anything. About everything I can see on it. All right, everybody, give me a call at 916-856-7931.